Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you all are healthy and safe. So in today's video, I'm going to share a few more daily practice worksheets with you. So I'm assuming that you have already checked our previous daily practice video and I shared few continent worksheets there. And for today's daily practice, the first activity is for trace and write, and this is for the spelling of Australia. And as you can see, I wrote Australia here in dotted form, like this is Australia. If you break word this way, it's easy for a child to read and learn the spelling of a word. I will highly encourage that whenever you are introducing any word to your child, try to break that word in parts so that it's easy for a child to read that word and later on remember the spelling of that word. So first she had to trace it, and then I asked her to write Australia 4 times here. Below this we have one activity for greater than, less than or equal to signs, and as you can see I have given simple equations here and I left these circles empty and she had to figure out which sign will come to make these equations correct. For these kind of activities, ask your child to solve these equations first. Like this is 8 plus 4 is 12, then 6 minus 3 is 3. So which number is greater? 12 is greater than 3, so child will use this symbol. So make sure to ask your child to solve these equations first and then use the symbols. Below this we have skip count by 4. So here I gave her just simple skip counting of 4. Now for next activity we have write 10 words that start with letter A, and this time she wrote all the spellings by herself. I have been practicing this kind of activity with Chia for quite some time now, and I will encourage you guys to include this activity in your child's daily practice too, as this is a great way to improve their vocabulary and to teach them different words. Every day I give her one letter and I ask her to write few words that start with that letter, and initially when you are starting first time you can just ask to write 2 or 3 words and gradually you can increase the number of words. Below this we have copy the pattern. As you can see here, I made simple pattern using few shapes and different color of pen, and she had to copy same thing here. Next I asked her to write about me and she had to write few lines about her. Actually I didn't check this worksheet and she made few spelling mistakes. I will correct them later on, but again these kind of worksheets are great for sentence formation. Later on it will become easy to introduce big essays or storytelling to your child, so I will highly encourage to include these kind of worksheets again. Now for the next day I asked her to write 10 words that start with letter B. We have write the rhyming words. As you can see I wrote 4 words here and I left 3 spaces empty, and she had to write 3 rhyming words for each word. I have mentioned this thing before, like whenever you are introducing rhyming words to your child, try to introduce rhyming word with CVC words, as it's easy for them to understand the concept, and later on you can move on to 4 letter or 5 letter words. Next worksheet is for French numbers. I mentioned this in one of our previous videos that here in Canada French is also primary language and she's going to learn French in kindergarten. That's why we have started practicing basic numbers, and these are French numbers, and to be honest even I don't know French numbers and I'm learning with her. So this is just for from 1 till 5. She had to trace them and then she had to write them. Below this we have skip count by 6. Now for the next day I gave her very simple activity for farm animals. As you can see I wrote farm animals names here and I left the space empty to the right side, and she had to simply read the name and then copy it here. Next we have connect the objects in an alphabetical order. So what I did here is I drew few pictures, random pictures, and I asked Chia to connect them in alphabetical order. Like this is apple, this is ball, so ball A, B, then C is missing, D is missing, then E, As you can see, I drew a few random pictures here, and she had to think about the alphabetical order, so which letter comes first. So these kind of brain boosting activities are really great, and kids really enjoy doing these activities. Next we have backward counting from 100 till 1, and I gave her in the form of missing numbers, as it's too much to ask a child to write from 100 till 1. So I every now and then, like say once in 2-3 months, I just randomly give her number writing practice like backward counting or forward counting, just to revise the concept. So next day we started with dictation. So I just randomly asked her to write few words which we have been practicing for the past few weeks, and I randomly asked her a few words and she had to write the spellings. And this is totally random. It has few months names, week names, fruit names, and vegetable names. So dictation is a great way to revise the spellings. Like if your child is struggling with some particular spellings and you are practicing them, so dictation is a great way to revise those words. Next we have again solve the sums and use symbols like greater than, less than, or equals to make equations true. First child has to solve these equations and then use appropriate symbol to make this equation right. Next we have word search activity for farm animals. So I introduced farm animals to Chia this week, and we are learning the spellings of farm animals. So I make sure to give her at least one worksheet every day so that it's easy for her to learn the spellings. And below this I wrote the spellings in dotted form, and she had to find the animals and trace these words. Next worksheet is for word blends. So she had to write few words that has ER in them, whether it's in the beginning or in the middle or at the end. And I did help her with the spellings here. So I hope you got some new ideas from this video, and if you practice any of these worksheets with your child, then please do share your experience with us in the comment section below. And if you found today's video informative, then please give this video a big thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Take care and stay safe.